Hi magical friends, I'm going to show you how you can recreate these sorting hat cupcakes that I made for my students. So the first thing that I did was create the sorting hat for the top of the cupcakes with these Werther's Originals caramels. I bought the chewy kind because they're a little bit harder than the soft ones. So make sure your hands are clean, and I molded one of the caramels into the bottom of the hat into a flat disc. Then I took another caramel and molded it into the triangular hat shape on the top. These you need to press down carefully to make sure that they stick. I used a knife to create the face. I just did 2 slits for the eyes and 1 for the mouth. You need to make sure that your hands aren't super warm or it will be hard for them to stick. I did put these in the freezer little by little as I finished them, and they turned out pretty cute. So I found these supplies from Michael's. I just used a regular cake box from Walmart to make. These aren't homemade. I cut out a little hole in the center of the cupcakes once they were cooled and done, and I filled them with red, yellow, green, and blue icing on the inside to represent the 4 different Hogwarts houses. So as you can see, I'm just putting a little dollop in the middle, and then I covered them with fluffy marshmallow icing, and then you couldn't see which flavor was inside. The lightning bolts that I put on the top of the cupcakes are by Nerdy Nummies. They're so cute. So I separated all of them onto different plates so I could remember which one was which, and I made sure that I had an equal amount. And then I just covered them. I did use a special tool to make sure that I could spread my icing more easily, because if you were to just use a knife, it might mix together with the color underneath. All right, pick the cupcake that you would eat, and it's going to reveal your house. First one is Hufflepuff. The second one is Ravenclaw. Cupcake number 3 is Slytherin. And I'll bet you can guess that cupcake 4 is Gryffindor. Which one did you get? Let me know. Let's see what the sorting hat will choose. 3, 2, 1. What'd you get, Miss Diane? I'm a Ravenclaw.
I'm actually a Slytherin. I took the Pottermore test and it said Ravenclaw. You can't really see, but I'm red. Gryffindor!
What'd you get?
I'm a true Gryffindor.
Nice. Alright, my students just left. I'll miss them. Let's see what house I'm going to get for my cupcake. Gryffindor. I hope you guys enjoyed my sorting hat cupcake tutorial. You can find me on Instagram at MagicWandBlonde or at MagicWandBlondeTeacher. I hope you enjoy, and if you recreate this, tag me. This is my first ever YouTube video, so be nice. I'm not really sure what I'm doing here with iMovie, but I hope you enjoyed and follow along for more adventures. Thank you.